Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a quote on Jobber, a comprehensive software solution for service-based businesses. Creating a quote is an essential step in the sales process, allowing you to provide customers with a clear breakdown of the work to be done and the associated costs. To start, log into your Jobber account and navigate to the Quotes section. From here, click the New Quote button to begin the process. First, select the customer for whom you are creating the quote. You can search for existing customers or add a new one if needed. Next, enter the quote details, including the quote date, expiration date, and any relevant notes. You can also add a custom quote name to help you identify the quote later. Now, it is time to add the services or items you want to include in the quote. You can choose from your existing services or add new ones as needed. When adding services, be sure to include a clear description, quantity, and price. You can also add any relevant taxes or discounts. Jobber allows you to organize your services into sections, making it easy to group related items together. Once you have added all the necessary services, review the quote to ensure everything is accurate. You can also add a deposit request or payment terms to the quote. Finally, click the Save Quote button to save your work. Your quote is now ready to be sent to the customer. Jobber allows you to email the quote directly to the customer or download a PDF copy. You can also track the status of the quote, including when the customer views or approves it. Best practices for creating quotes on Jobber include keeping your services up to date, using clear and concise descriptions, and including all relevant details. By following these steps and tips, you can create professional-looking quotes that help you win more business and grow your service-based business.